So we have here this model, and you have here many chamfers, one, two, three chamfers here. So all these three chamfers can be done together. There is a cut here, and there is a cut chamfer here. This is not possible by chamfer because there are two features. So we might have to do the reference plane here. And this whole model can be drawn from this side as one object like that. Okay, so let us see how we can do this model. So we have to go to the part environment, and as usual go to sketch. When you start the sketch, you need to draw it from this side, which means it's going to be from the front plane. So click on that and make a sketch. So now when I'm making the sketch, I see that there is two chamfer here. So I make like a step so that I can do the chamfer. Okay, you just roughly draw it, and then you can always press the escape command to come out of the line tool, and then you can click on this line, make it horizontal relation. Okay, now as soon as you give dimension here 30, here 30, here 10. Okay, now I see here all of them are 10, 10, 10, 10. So I can actually make it using relation. So I click on this, click on this, click on this, click on this. You must click on it while keeping the control button suppressed. Uh, Wait, let me go this one and this one first. These two are, this one is having dimension, this doesn't have dimension. These two will be equal. Okay, and then again this one and this one and this one. These three of them equal. Okay, if it is getting over constrained, this yellow line means it is getting over constrained. So press Ctrl Z, go one by one. That one and that one. That is going to be equal. No, it hasn't taken it. One. These two has to be equal. Okay. This one, yeah, it is already equal. This one and this one must be equal. And then also this one, I think is already equal. Yes. Yeah, now it's equal. See, without applying dimension, just by using one dimension and by using the equal relation, I was able to make all of them constrained. It's fully constrained. When you see black lines, it means it's fully defined and constrained. Okay. Now, after you do this, you can exit the sketch. Press Ctrl 7 to see the isometric. Go to features and you make the boss. Put the reverse condition and make it 30. So you have a boss all the way. Okay. Now I see that there is a cut here. Okay, so let me make the cut before I make the chamfer. I click on this. I make sketch, new sketch here. I take the rectangle. I draw a rectangle. I say that this rectangle is, let me make it in the middle. So let me just click on midpoint here. Click on this line. And I say this is in the middle. Now I can go and make this, sorry, I can take this line and this line and I make it collinear, so it touch on each other. So only one dimension I need to give. So I can just press the smart dimension, only this one, which is 10. So that's how you use relations. You must use relation in coordination with dimension. You see, with minimum dimension and more relations. So then that is drawn in the center. So I can press Ctrl 7 to see that. Exit the sketch. I go to cut and I make a cut of 10 milli from the top. Okay. Now I can see that 1, 2, 3 chamfers. This one can't be chamfer. It's between two features. We'll need to reference, make a reference and make a drawing. Anyway, now these three chamfers I can do together. So how do I do that? Just go chamfer, go to, you can even use the angle and distance. This is distance and angle, the first one. So distance is 10 milli and 45-degree angle. That one and this one and this one. I say okay, it's done. Now coming to this one, I click here, I say new sketch. I need a rectangle. So I take from this corner until I just make it like that so that I can constrain it. I constrain this corner to, I click on these 2 points. I press Control, click on these points. I use the coincident relation. When I use the coincident, it gets touched. It gets attached with the other corner like that. Then use this line and this line, and I can say both of them collinear. So now see, fully constrained. Press Control 7, see your sketch, exit sketch, and then you can cut it through. Yes. Okay, once you cut it now, I can make a sketch from this surface. So I click on this surface, I say sketch, new sketch. So I will see it normal to me. I have to make a triangle sketch from that point to that point to that point to done. So say OK and escape to come out of the line command. Press Ctrl 7. You can see the black sketch on that surface. Okay, now all you have to do is exit the sketch, go to features, boss. Make sure it's 10 milli and say OK. So that is how you've got this. Now all you have to do is just color it. Say OK and remove the black lines. So that's how you use it. What we know now is we are using relations more effectively, and you have to decide from the beginning which plane you will use to do the drawing as easy as possible. Okay, that is it. Thank you.